Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest VPN tutorials and tech tips. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to download, configure, and connect to Anony Pro VPN on your Android device. Whether you're looking to boost your online privacy, bypass geo-restrictions, or simply enjoy a fast and reliable VPN connection, this guide has got you covered. Let's start with the basics. Open your Google Play Store and search for Anony Pro by Art of Tunnel. You'll recognize it by the bright orange icon. Tap Install, and once the download is complete, open the app. Grant all necessary permissions that the app requests to function correctly. After launching the app, you'll see the main dashboard. At the top, there's a location selector, usually defaulted to the United States. At the center, there's a large power button to connect or disconnect. Below, you'll find the TX and RX stats, which display your real-time data activity. Now let's dive into the important part, the configuration. Tap on Stealth Settings. Under the Transport section, tap Select Transport and choose Direct TCP. This method offers a stable and secure connection. Enable Use Custom Transport Host. In the host field, replace the example host, like www.speedtest.net, with a valid SNI or bug host. These are usually provided by your VPN source or trusted communities. Always make sure you're using an updated and working host. Under the Connection section, leave Use Custom Connect Host turned off unless you're instructed otherwise. For the Connect port, type 443. This is a standard HTTPS port used by most secure networks and works well with VPNs. Now, under Security, enable Use SSL to make sure your connection is encrypted. Toggle Use Custom SSL SNI to On. This will reveal a new SNI field. Again, make sure to enter a valid SNI host that matches your VPN setup or server region. Once you've entered all the details, tap the back arrow to return to the home screen. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Then, tap the large red power button to connect. The first time you do this, Android will prompt you to allow VPN connection. Tap Allow. Within a few seconds, the status will change to Connected, and your TX/RX values will start moving, showing that the VPN is active. If the connection fails, don't worry. Try changing the transport type or updating the SNI host with a new working one. Sometimes networks block certain configurations, so a quick tweak can get things running smoothly. And that's it. You've now successfully set up Anony Pro VPN on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions.